Hi crochet lover, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. Today we are hooking up our drawable crochet keychains designs ideas. So please watch this video till end and please do not skip this video. Get ready to create a unique and amazing accessories. In this video we will be making a stylish crochet Keychains designs ideas using yarn and technique. Learn how to crochet these cute keychains to add a personal touch to your keys. So first, let's start with the foundation chain. Next, we will add the multiple of number and patterns. Now let's add the pattern and texture. We will be using a combination of double crochet stitches and single crochet stitches. Use a stitch maker to keep track of your place in the pattern. Experiment with different yarn, color or embellishments like button, applique work, beads, pearl stones and create a unique keychain easily. And that's it, your crochet keychain is complete and ready to use. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more crochet ideas, tutorial and videos, more ideas, tutorial videos. Please share your creativity with us on social media account using hashtag. Check out our next new more crochet ideas, tutorial videos, accessories and home decoration ideas. Happy hooking. We will be see you in the next video. Keep your keys cozy and stylish with our crochet keychains. Perfect gift for friends, family or different persons. Hope you like this video and different collection ideas. Keep watching my more different ideas till end and keep praying for me. May Allah be live long, stay happy and stay blessed for me. Boohoo chain crochet keychain pattern, crochet keychain with charms, crochet keychain with cotton yarn, summer crochet keychain pattern perfect for beach bags and many other ideas, accessories design if you want to see. So please watch my more different ideas till end and please subscribe my channel, like my videos and share with your friends, relative, customers, crochet work experts and others. Okay viewers, see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.